Hey everyone, it's the Miniac, and if you didn't guess by the title, I got some sad news. Went to Cars and Coffee with the local mini club, and while I was exiting the highway, I came to a stop. I looked to see if it was clear. I thought I was clear. Accelerated forward, and got struck by a large GMC HD heavy duty pickup truck. Um, Demolished the whole front end of the car. It's pretty much totaled. I mean, there's no way that my insurance company's gonna be able to fix that car. It's really sad. Haven't had that car for very long. I've had it since August of last year, so not even a year yet. Put a lot of time into making it look nice, detailing it, putting the right wheels on it, and it still stings a little. It's gone. Nothing I can do to bring that car back. So, what do I do heading forward in the channel? We still have the project car to look forward to at some point, as soon as it's done. And now it's time to look for a replacement for that car. So, not the project car, my other car, the one that got wrecked. So, I'm going to be beginning that search sometime this week, possibly. I'm waiting to hear back from my insurance company. But I'm hoping to bring you all along so you can watch as I do that. I apologize for this video not being more lively and exciting, but I'm still pretty upset about the whole thing, and not much else I can say about it. I'm gonna post some pictures of the accident at the end of this video. For those of you who really love your cars and might get a little squeamish of seeing a wrecked car, I apologize. So, trigger alert, spoiler alert, whatever you want to call it. You're going to get to see just how badly mangled my car was. It did exactly what it was designed to do. It protected the driver. But part of protecting the driver is that it sacrificed itself. I mean, the engine's not even attached to the frame anymore. I got hit that hard. The truck spun the car completely around too. Launched one of my headlights off into a field. You know how I talked about grill badges on Mini Coopers? Well, they found my grill badge the following day, broken into 3 pieces. Now that's a rubber grill badge, so I mean, it's one of these, so not easy to break one, but that's what happened. So anyway, I apologize for this video being short, but it is what it is. These things happen, and we move forward. So, in the coming week or so, considering I have to find a new car, you're going to get to see the process of doing that. I'll show you a few cars I'm interested in, and hopefully I'll narrow it down to one. Or I may just surprise you and pick one out, and you'll get to see it pretty quick. But either way, it's going to be happening in the next couple of weeks, and it's going to have to happen quickly because I can't borrow my dad's BMW forever. So, anyway, I will see you all next week. Hopefully next week's video is a little bit more lively. And until then, remember my motto. It's not about the destination, it's about the journey. Thanks for watching.